Kellan's first attempt at not feeding from the bottle. See how it goes.
Okay, look.
Oh, yummy! It's like this tastes funny.
What am I supposed to do with this?
Push it in, it's falling out of my mouth. Pretty messy, huh? You push it in, make sure you push it in with your thumb. Get it all. Mmm. Good. Well, that's how it pretty much is, I think. Not good? Oh my gosh, it's just like spitting it out.
It's everywhere. Gross.
Bessie! It's Bessie, yeah! I don't know if he's really ingesting it like he should.
Just go slow.
Maybe just a little bit instead of...
Oh, wow.
Oh, good boy! Good boy. Mmm, yummy. That's what it looks like. It's like, Daddy, stop recording me. This is not a very flattering video.